This Archive of Teaching Resources tutorial will show you how to use the Folders tool. The Folders tool is useful for collecting and for organizing items that you find in the archive. Additionally, the Folders tool is the precursor to creating collections in the archive, which will be addressed in a separate tutorial. To save an item in the archive, you first need to make sure that you are logged into the archive. You know if you are if under the My APS archive it has the welcome screen for you. Go to the item that you're interested in saving and go to the Save It section. Under the Save It section, you'll see a list of all the folders that you have. Now we're going to create a new folder in this instance, so you'd want to select on New Folder and then click on Save. Now that we've added an item to our new folder, we now need to name our folder. There's many ways to do this. One option is to click on New Folder link here. You can also click on the Edit Folders link here, or you can go to My Archive and click on My Folders. All of these will bring you to the Saved Resource Folder section. In this section, it will list all of the folders that you have. All you need to do is click on the title of your folder and you'll see which items are listed in it. Now what we want to do is change the item of our folder so we know, change the name of our folder so we know which one we have. To do that, make sure that the folder that you want to change the name of is selected, and you can see the title here, New Folder. And now we're going to click on Edit Folder. Under Edit Folder, we can now change the folder name, and we can also add a description. You can decide here if you want to be able to share this folder, for example, embedding it, sharing it on Facebook, or sharing it as a collection. You can either select yes or no for this option. It's completely up to you. Once you've edited your folder name and your description, click on Update Folder. Now you've changed the name of your folder, and now what you can do is if you go to the archive and search for another item, you can now go ahead and you can save this item of your choosing into whichever folder that you like. Also, you can note that if we go back to the original item that we saved in our folder, you can see here that our item is saved in the folder that we named My Collection. Now, if you want to remove the item from the folder, you can go ahead and click Remove here, and that will remove the item. Thank you for listening to this tutorial.